Welcome again to another edition of Quick View. This edition is going to be off the hook. But before then, let me just wear my Apple Watch because I need to know what time it is. You guys should give me some time. I'm trying to get this thing on. This is one of my favorite Apple Watches. It's one of my favorite because I struggled before I put it on. So. Yes, and there we go. So this week's edition is not actually a week because I'm doing like 2-3 videos in a week, so I can't say this week's edition, but then I can say this edition, right? Okay, so let's go. So this edition is going to be fun. We have the, let me go grab it. So we have the Harman Kardon Onyx Mini in the building. Woo! So this speaker is a very nice, small looking but very powerful speaker, and we're going to review it. We're going to do an unboxing first, and then we're going to jump into the review. So let me not waste your time, let's just jump right into it. The Harman Kardon Onyx Mini is a rounded portable speaker. It looks very good. It has this big mesh with the inscription Harman Kardon on the front, and it has some buttons on the top, and it has this plastic thing going for it. So at the top you get the power button, you get the volume up, you get the volume down, and you get the Bluetooth button, as well as a button for picking calls. So in relation to buttons, that's what it comes with. I'd say it looks good. It feels actually very clicky, and thumbs up to that. At the back we have the AUX port and the power port, and at the front we have this all circle mesh thing. Once you put it on, you have those indicators that show the battery capacity, or the battery indication, and there's this sub woofer at the back. So once you're playing songs and it has this beat in it, it moves and all that. So let's jump right into the sound and let's see how it performs.
Tell me, are you all in? All in? All in? And say you're all in. Are you all in?
Charlie, what they happen? I think the system's crashing. I feel a heap of magic every time I get to rapping. It's all the.
So this small boy ninja can rap. It looks small. In fact, once you see it, you don't even think that it can have such amount of sound, but then this speaker delivers. This edition was fun. This speaker impressed us. Would give it a 6 out of 10, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. But before then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Swaggy Gray. I'll catch you in the next one.
The game is tough, you play soft. This is my home court. You play like